people, hello to you. So today we are on our way to
country. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Clarendon, basically. Clarendon, we go. Pass all out Clarendon, we go.
Lord mercy, what a day it's gonna be, but I know it's gonna be good.
Yep.
So you wanna come with us? Yeah? Stay connected because it's gonna be a good day. Remember, if you have not yet to subscribe, what you gotta do?
Hit that subscribe button, venvenmusic and country life, my people.
That's right.
Yep.
And leave a thumbs up, like up the video, people. Like
And
up
comment as well.
Yes.
Let you know how you feel about these informative, energetic, and vibrant videos.
That's what I mean. That's how we do it.
And you see we're matching up today, right? Yep.
All right, that's how we do it. Family vibe.
Yeah.
All right, people. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, so let's go.
Peace
Bam.
out.
So we are making our way down, my people. Wonderful things going on here. Not true?
Yes.
Yes. So, country going to country, or country in town. So we are on our way, my people. Yes. It's gonna be a good day. Yeah. The journey so far has been a smooth one. Very good one. Yes.
Jelly man. What's your fresh donut, my boss?
How much?
Sorry, fine, baby.
All right,
You can't give me no
minute.
discount. Eh?
All
Pick up
right.
yourself,
God
yeah?
bless you. All right.
Good.
You ain't glad. All right. Well, the journey's going good, my people. This is what's going here. We're on the train
Yes.
side. You get all these
Just
things
get
to
a
buy.
fresh donut.
Oh, yes. Niceness.
Mhm.
Niceness. All right. Big up.
Mm-hmm.
Big up. Big
Where's
up.
it, my people?
Big up. Big up.
Fresh and nice.
That's a donut.
Mhm.
Where it is. Fresh and nice. Jelly nice.
Mhm.
Oh, share. Big up. You have donut too? I wish I could have buy from everybody. But I can't buy from everybody. I only buy from one. All goats on the side eating and drinking. So we are cruising down. I mean, 100 miles per hour, that's not too fast, right? It's pretty good, isn't it so? Of course. Right?
Yes, you're going right down.
Oh my, it feels good. I mean, it's a good while now, you know. I haven't had a journey like this. You know, most times is well, the last time was me alone. You know, I went to St. Mary and then St. Anne. Yeah. So it's good that my brother is here with me today.
Yes, my people.
Yeah.
It's a little bit rough, but
This is good anyways. Looks
Going
good
down,
anyways. So
down.
you know, it's a good day to be journeying down. And my people, guess what? We are going to harvest coconuts. Hello.
wash off your heart.
Yes.
Great jelly coconut. You know, we don't have that in our side because of our side the temperature is too cold.
Yes, too cold.
So we're going down the hot Old Harbor
Yes, my
to get
people.
some jelly coconuts.
So yeah, we're going down Old Harbor to get that for sure. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I know that. Because the climber is here. Yeah.
Yes. We feel good.
Good.
We feel good. Oh, yes, we do. I forget you to know, man.
Oh yes. Because we're going to the country for coconut. Yeah, good. Ouch! Yes, that's how we do.
Sing already, sir. Come look for me. You don't sing.
Look why you me sing. Come on now, say it. We feel good. We feel good. We're going to the country because we know we're gonna get some coconut to wash off the heart. Hey! Woo! That's how we do it, people. You know, we keep the nicest going, we keep the vibe flowing on venvenmusic and country life. It's authentic vibe.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're going down and it's gonna be a good day. I'm excited about getting the coconuts, people, because you know it's been a while I haven't had some good jelly coconut.
Yes.
The last time I got jelly was when I went to St. Mary.
Yes.
So right now it's a good thing for me right now, and then I can also get it to cook with, because I cook with the meat of the jelly. Yes, and if it's dry, still blend it, but I like the jelly, you know, when it's firm. I cook with that a lot, and it gives the food such a rich flavor and taste.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I'm big up on the Chris planting that jelly coconut tree.
Yes, so we big up.
Go on.
Go ahead, big up the big ups, Bonnie.
Yes, big up on the Chris. Well, we're entering Old Harbor now.
Going in. So we are in the town, my people. We're in Old Harbor town right now. Oh man, it's combusted a bit. We are going through.
Yes.
Soon be at our destination.
Yeah, and the last time I cared about the place changed up because the market was down there and then moved the bus park and put it over there, so I don't know where the market people are. Place changed up.
That's how it is.
So we're in the town, and that's the clock there.
Let them see. So that's it. That's the clock right there. We're in the town. It's nice.
Yes, and that's the police station right there.
Yes.
Right in the town.
Can you believe that? Just a while ago, the bus that was behind me, the vehicle that was behind that bus that's behind me, ram in the back of the bus. I'm so happy it's not me right now. Thank you, Lord. Coverage is important.
Yes. You
I
gotta
tell
say a
you.
word of prayer before you.
Yes, we have to do that. We
anything.
always do that. We always
Yes.
pray before we leave.
Yes.
And I just heard bloof. I was like, thank you, Lord. That's not me. That's the person right behind me that got that. Oh yeah, so on our way.
Just hope they are okay though. Hope the person
Yeah. But that's kind of problematic right now because you have to fix that on, do that on, papers, this, that's like delay. You know? So I'm so happy that we're on our way in safe pace. Is it the right road?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
One straight road.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Housing schemes.
Alright. I'm taking my time right now, not too fast. About 65 miles per hour on the drive.
Chop the road, man.
You hear what him say, my people, chop the road? There's something called speeding ticket. And there's another thing that's called speed limit. Alright? Hope you're enjoying the ride so far, my people.
Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna let you see some of what's happening on the outside now, alright?
So this is going for the live chicken from CB that you get in the supermarket. This is one of the transport truck.
So my people, we are here and we are ready.
The rock and roll.
We're ready to get the coconuts.
Safety
Yes,
comes
my
first.
people. So we're gonna get the leather fixed. Well, welcome back. Niceness here. So this is the leather.
Country life, my people.
Ladder to go on. Giovanni, your body in the camera. So here is the ladder,
Yes.
my people.
I made chips up, me, no?
And this is what we're gonna use to go on the coconut tree. Yes, this is how we do it. Country living the smart way.
Yes. When you're knocking on it, you have to aim it and knock it right. Can't choke your hammer. You have to aim and slam. Yes, my people have to firm it up, you know.
So we're making sure that the ladder is sturdy.
Yes.
This is how we do it.
See, can get this leather up, it's a little bit short, but mother always say turn it on, make fashion, you know. Well, to get down on the jelly, have to have a sharp machete.
So we have to have a sharp machete for
Beveling it up.
cutting the bunch of jelly, my people. So we're getting the cut is sharpened right now.
Yes. Well, you know, everything is at Vaughn's Quality, Fresh Produce and Consultancy Services. Alright? So, anything as relates to agriculture, as relates to irrigation, plant, pest, disease, and anything like that, any information that you need, you can just call me. If you want your farm to be set up to be irrigated, alright? If you want quality crops, quality produce,
Yes.
As you see on my farm, you can just call me at 864-1921.
What is this? You hear my people? Yes. We're getting things going right here nicely,
Yes.
nicely.
And as you know,
Yes.
I'm the sneakers farm, I don't wear water boots. You know.
So is the sneakers farmer?
Yes,
Don't wear?
water boot.
And that's the coconuts right there, my people. We're going to get them, and get them.
Make sure this stir it down first, you know? Because safety comes first.
Safety is first. You gotta secure it all. And he's going up, my people. Gonna get them jelly, get them. over here we have two nice sweet sap, my people. Look at this. So nice. On the tree right there. Pretty. Yeah, to cut it out. One.
Well, we're picking up on gathering.
So we're picking up my
Jellies.
people, a whole lot. I tell you, this is how we do it. Even in the coal stove, we have some. We got a whole lot right here.
Alright, my people, you know it's jelly coconut time, you know, it's drinking time, you know. So we're
Yes.
gonna chop the jelly,
Yes, yes.
turn it up our heads, you know, wash
Yes.
it up well sharp. Country lifestyle. Here,
Country living.
pull my chop off your finger.
Every time, every time.
Yeah.
Get it up, stir it nicely now. Come on out, come on now.
That's my people.
Oh yeah.
You know we are people who love fruits, you know, natural.
Naturalness. Drink
Yes.
the jelly, wash off your
They're
heart.
kind of old. Want the knife now? Want the
Yes.
knife now?
Yes, get them, get them.
Yes, my people.
Put the knife there, Bonnie.
Right at the ground there, see that your foot?
All right.
Behind you. That's my
Oh
people.
yeah. So here it is. Show them how you do it.
So we just pick
Oh yeah.
and turn. Oh my God.
Woo.
See, this piece is the first to go in your mouth, you know.
Woo.
Yummy.
Nuts.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes.
Murder.
Murder.
Yes,
Yes.
my people.
Oh yes. Wonderful
Mhm.
things going on here.
I'm gonna taste it now.
You want the lime, man. You want the lime, man.
Hey, my people.
uh.
See this? It's naturally sweet.
Naturally nice.
Sugar.
Yes.
Wash off your heart.
That's
Oh
right.
My God.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Yes, my people. You see the
Drink
nice
it up.
water?
Mm-hmm,
See the nice jelly water, my people?
No, just it way. Yes, yes, yes. Want a little lime, you know, and squeeze it in. Nice it up.
Your time, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right texture that, you know, man. Right texture. My gosh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. You must nice, man. Oh, yes, the man. Nice. Nice.
Yes, my people. I tell you, boy. Refreshing, man. So we're gonna chop it up now.
I eat out the meat.
Yes, my people. So look at it now. You secure your fingers. Like you're cutting an onion on a cutting board. So you secure your fingers. Right? And you chop. You have to be careful, you know. Tough.
Well, that is supposed to
So
well
if
sweet
anything,
then.
you move and eat. Yes, my people.
I get your spoon.
Oh my God. Look at this, people.
Woo!
Pure goodness.
Yes,
Pure
yes,
goodness,
yes.
No, Ben,
Nice.
Ben, music and country life. So you give a thumbs up, a like and a share. Remember to comment and
Yeah.
tell us, give us a feedback, you know.
Yeah, like up
Alright.
the video.
Like up the videos, man. Like it, tell your friend.
Yeah.
To share, put on your status. On TikTok,
Yeah.
on Instagram, on Twitter.
No
Well,
bantah.
report, not I. Yes, my people, this is where it even gets sweeter, you know. I'm gonna have
Yeah.
some of this nice, fresh
Meat.
jelly meat. Yes, my people.
Nice niche. Show them
Yeah, man, you
how
can't
we
go say meat,
Woo!
you know, 'cause Jamaica have a way of speaking. You have to say jelly meat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, my people.
Nicey.
Oh my God, it's refreshing.
My coconut no massa.
And Chris, big up yourself. You want
Yeah.
two more of this now?
Yes, 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 yes. So we have to big up Christine.
Yes,
Yes, big up Auntie Christine.
yes.
Every time, love, love, love.
Yeah.
All the way in the US of A. Big
Yes,
up
my
yourself
people.
every time. That's how we do it. It's all about family love. Yes. You know, so we're sending over your jelly right over. Click, click,
Yes.
over a bit.
Packaging and selling it. So watch me now, Anna Chris. This a year, you know. You understand? This a year, man. So watch how me I send it for you now. No?
Yeah, but talk slow.
Yes, no man. Right, yeah, Auntie Chris. Me chew and you swallow.
Woo!
Yes, my people. See what I do.
So I'm gonna be chopping right now. I'm gonna be chopping my jelly right now. Oh yes. This looks like a good one, right? Wow, it's windy out here. Nice. Breezy. That's how we do it, my people. Take your time and spare it around. Hello, hello, hello. Like up the video, my people. Like it up, nice it up. Keep the love going, keep the love flowing. That's how we do it on Venven Music and Country Life. You know, we keep it nice. Authentic for sure. Spirit off, no? You know what I mean? This is how I do it. I take my time and crack them out. This one feels tough. So, oh my. Get a little hole. And then I gotta use the knife right now and get it open. So that you can see what's happening now. So get a knife in now. I would really love to have a lime. My hole is not so wide, but should be good. Should be good anyways, my people. Oh yeah.
How you have to join yourself? I join yourself. Eh? I'm going to turn it to bed, so.
Wow!
Beer.
Woo! Sweet though. Sweet man. So it took me too fast. Lord. Sweet and ash. Oh. Nice, my people. So I'm sending over some and I'll be selling some. So let me know how much do you want. Put in your orders today. Look at what we got right here. A lot of things going on. That's how we do it. Yeah, man.
Well, my people, cutting it open. full of water. You understand? Yes, man.
Niceness,
Don't forget-
live and direct.
Help yourself, you know. If you can't do things. All of the man them want woman and can't do nothing else. You know, go
Stop
look
it,
for this.
money.
You hear? Woman them want man who can't do things.
Oh, you have to turn it in now. We cannot show this now. We have to turn it in now.
The video show.
No.
How very nice. See there, you put that back.
Knife is right here.
Yes, my people.
My people,
Yes, my people.
every time, love and niceness here, live and direct, 'cause that's how we do it. You know, we're full of the vibes, nice of the thing, that's how we do it.
Yes, my people.
Every time.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Niceness there.
Imagine I put this so cool.
Yes.
Oh my God, man. And
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Jamaican lifestyle, you know what I mean?
Yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yes, sir. So this is Christine. One for Christine. One for Annie.
One for Maxine.
One for Maxine.
One and
One
two
for-
for Auntie Joy.
Two for...
And two, come. And two for Auntie
Joy.
Joy.
All right. So here you go. Here the two jelly for ya. It's a one of bigs. Yes, for share. Yeah.
One of these now, one of them.
Eh? Yeah, a whole lot. For sure, do you know? So big up yourself.
Thank you.
All right then, every time. So thank you for riding with us today, and do take care until the next video, my people. Adios. Bye-bye.